Let's trade it with Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, what do you think about Disney right now?
Yeah, I think you just hit the nail on the head. Is this stock has been coiling. It's gone nowhere for a long time, and I think it's ready for a launch. I really think it's as George said.
All right.
They're going to deliver some great numbers on the streaming side.
Let's go.
Driver side. Yeah, exactly. The park reopening, I don't think that's going to make a hill of beans difference to the bottom line here for this report. I don't think it's going to impact any future guidance whatsoever. I think it's really all going to be about the streaming network. And I think, again, from both a technical and a fundamental standpoint here, this thing is ready to launch, and I'm playing it to the upside. I am buying just a very bullish call spread.
All right.
To September expiration, the September 180, 190 call spread, $10 wide. I can do that for about $3, maybe even a little bit less right now because the stock is down a little bit right now. And as George said, the market maker expected move just on the print for this week is right around $6.5, $7 just in, for the next day or two. So I'm buying myself some time. I'm buying myself over a month here. And again, I think we break out. I love Disney here. Again, technically, fundamentally, it's all going to be about guidance. It's all going to be about subscribers in my view.
Okay, so subscribers and the streaming component. See, that's the part here that the market might know is going to be hot, right? So the kind of tiebreaker or the surprise, maybe that guidance about what happens going forward. But it sounds like, Scott, you think they're going to have such a powerful trailing figure here that it's going to be hard to doubt the sustainability and the stickiness of that Disney Plus business.
I really do. And listen, if I'm wrong and the stock backs off here, okay, I'm wrong. I always make, these suggestions, and I always trade this way with a spread so that if I am wrong, I know what my risk is. I know, the maximum I can lose, but I love the reward to risk on this trade. And again, from a technical standpoint, from what I believe they are going to report here, I think this is just a great opportunity to be in Disney.
Okay, so you're looking for September. So you think this will kick off basically soon, right? After earnings or around it. So when you manage this trade, Scott, if that does lead to some profit taking in the short term, where do you draw the line to where you say, okay, it's not going to have time to get back to where I want it to, if, let's say we drop 5% in the next 2 days or something?
Yeah, 5% to me would be a big move to the downside. That would be a pretty big drawdown because that would break through some major support in the stock to the downside, and I would definitely have to reevaluate this trade. I typically look at my trades and look at a 50% loss to the downside. So if I'm paying $3 for this thing and the stock loses enough where the value of this spread gets down to $1.50 or so, that's probably my white flag area where I say, okay, I'm wrong. Enough is enough here. But again, I'm buying myself enough time here, Oliver, that even if the print isn't wildly bullish, but we kind of stay in this coiling atmosphere here, I'll hold it for a little bit.
Okay, coiled Disney and a bull trade that works with George's positive analysis. So we'll be watching here for Disney to see if this thing finally wakes up. Scott, nice walkthrough. I like it. Clear, helpful, straightforward for those who think Disney's got some upside. Scott's the CEO at Prosper Trading Academy. When we get back,